How to check Instagram Notice Story. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you check your Instagram Notice Story. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Instagram app with your logged in account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app, you'll got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here, you'll have to tap on three line just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, tap on the your activity. Alright, so from the your activity section, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like download your information. And now from here, tap on download or transfer information. Okay, so from here, choose your Instagram account and now tap on the next. Okay, so from here you got two options like you can download all of the available information of your Instagram account or you can go through your some of your information. So right now I'm clicking all available information. Alright, so from here you can choose the destination, you can choose anyone from here. Alright, so now from here you can set the date of range for the download process. So simply you can set the date range like last year, last 6 months. So you can set the date range from here. So after you chosen from here, tap on save. Alright, so after you done this from here, you'll have to tap on create file option. So simply tap on it. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully requested to download my all of the information available on my Instagram account. And after a few couple of hours, I will get notified through that Gmail ID of my Instagram account. So from there, I can download and view the all of the information available on my Instagram account, including the Instagram notes. So this is the process to check or download the Instagram notes of your Instagram account. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.